let me create some awareness saying we are not safe in Ghana anymore. Well, even though you and I know as a police for airborne home, sometimes we will be a ABLP and Adwa. But say Omabo bus stop near barrier or baby or checkpoints near there, yeah. But sometimes your smartness can't save you. We are no more safe. And the one say, nah, you could be why I say. But somewhere last week or so, you video be a Nigeria girl be marketing up no moody money some huge amounts be before we be releasing in the idea. Look, Nigerians are taking over this country. And Ghana for business, we are doing this. Yeah, we are doing this just because sometimes you ain't sure money to know. You bet you they bear the Nigerian name and then Omokasaniche said they are Nigerians. But Ghanaians are also part in these criminal activities. I was meeting a friend at Executive Hotel, the one before Aquinas, yeah, and then Osu. It's Miss Bessie or 37 the bus stop. Na me yes okay, me join ni Trozy. Na me dey akọ. Afi na car ni bi emba. Inti no me say me movie. Inti me movie na hu say car bi taxi bi airco. Then I saw one woman sitting at the front. Na me page me say bisa so mo ko osu and the woman was like, "Yeah." Inti me tina car me no pen bisa driver and he say, "Eh ya he." Then the woman sitting at the front no try na ni no be hwem no obu mani. So I thought say sometimes say which attack car. When I watch it, I mean, you are the one, in control. So I thought maybe the woman wanted to help me out. And I mean, I feel quite a baby or they fire, you know. Now they were taking me to a wrong part. So when baby executive, you know, just after Lands Commission, you know, yeah, baby a lawyer for and I say, you know, judges sniffy, you know, it's just after the sniffy now American. Then they took me to a wrong part. Let me say, no, baby, American. That is not where you guys are, heading towards. Oh, you BT traffic in Alpha here, and I was like, okay. Then I also realized, no, baby, I'm going to make far. The Diamond City Hotel. Every I'm going to mean, the other said, no, my mama means, after that, or try say, or be movie, or be running faster. And I'm be a gate, and I told me how to. Me sorry, I know me need to money, show me S3. And say, Equaya Quada, Ebio, and also about more than Nebeko. And I want to say, sometimes they do in Brian and say, yeah, not traffic. Actually, and I be do bus to be answered, and I keep away home. Near Dawson. In think for the money say. Obaba be jina bus stop on me to say bia oh. Obe pai baby say bia oh. Ebia La Paz. Na obe say member 2 and a nipa 2 obe ba ko betina front. Na 2 so atina back seat no mo eja extra seat a slot. Into no tene mo you feel say oh car passenger so me there. I mean you are safe. Wo mo fa wa. No maka so governor ka say bia oh. Mislemu traffic o mintin pese me fa hanom. No muni aka so when ye yate yenko nti se nipa menaja mensaja to ma wono ne hwan because of say munni mu fi baby na ma be sentinu you are safe omodo kwa no mkodu baby na daba na pretend say car no fort aba ho na we say ti say the obesisi car no na de omode be ye no omodo aye o omobeje ho ne oma ana wan ye lucky a ombe kidnap o no omodo akọ nti sometimes say o fa car me so san car we obi kura no a opon wa na we scar say uba na pa na wafa me because say bia Okada but this Okada guy is also muni abotre. Well, you know, we just have to be very careful out there. Yeah, because the abefe bia no for Okada why like in Sua accident to be to me see. And Uber drivers no cramp no so midnight you are not safe. Yeah, these Uber drivers midnight you are not safe. Most of them you know they are into these criminal activities. So whoever is watching me this video, someone can now share to a friend. Let's all create an awareness and I'm reminding you that we are not safe in this country anymore. It is a UPA, and we're very careful.
What's even catch a kakra? Where it is in the Maboko Mufancheme, Mtuka kakra. I hope so be a hoye. Ghana is no see when the Mamma always a Ghana de see. And I'm too quite call Tamale kakra. And I'm experience kakra, and I'm be share. Na me dey tie video we, and as me dey attach video ya, o share. Ghana is no see. But I believe say police for immigration for no more Kanyano. They are working very hard say Ghana best and IC. Now enra and ene if you tamale enra anajo I think 9 metina came by 10 na kane 2. Nti mbedu Kumasi for something I think 410 yeah 410 yeah na mbedu Kumasi absia na we kwanso experience okotemele kwanso first when me say kan e wo kwa kwa me hu ya bo barrier ya be see akromfo na sefo ene barriers ahodo wo kwan so nyina immigration police for sa immigration police na you do one immigration center here which is hereby na come team no for small cars be sa family car no that is a kambu ya na you do one immigration center be I do work in Tampo. I think before that barrier no immigration for before Kintampo abusia na on the packet on my packet na on be so bi o card me say ye Ghana card e wo hefa abusia e say be say two foreigners in Nigeria for omo kasa kom kan Nigeria say especially Nigerians e do mo bokru mu and human trafficking na say for mo de deep one nti na mo yesa can me record on this particular phone so ba dey be a course na moment man record omo voice no can me dey watch them am hu say yo immigration for papa for ne was be ejimi phone so de e ho no ti guy ne ba no o say ye Ghana card wa he nti ya take nim de I think say nipa ba akopɛ na onya Ghana card e hwe na wo makani na obi anya Ghana card na anhwe nti ko na me try say me phone so de ba me nya me brad de na me de hwe no so wo no problem nti wono na lady ba akoto lady no say we say address wa bo rasta kokko tatu no hono ni sa ne me no omo suspect say we Nigeria na bibisa patin ko na say ya nti memi nipa me ne ka ho ye ko tamale no no bisa omo ni bi ono so say o say na no refu amfa no so omo mbra nti omo ye mama no from no omo so omo mbra no omo koy mo ko shono no mo kasa nti ne ye dwen say bi kra na ko bisa omo din nasefo na waka so form number si mo omo na echi omo confirm nti immediately I thought say na bisa na say bia o ko to mo no be say de be omo ye omo ida Nigerians and say bisa because odwen so omo Nigeria for so nti omo ko hona na your friend say nkofo na amgo ba chumba o so for me ba mo fanche nti omo ko hye ho no hona na ba ko obi omo mo take ni girls no say we dey ono mo wuro no o ka jom number because mo hu fine girls ni nti omo ko akwaje number that is what nkofo na ye kana me so mo forget na me CP ho a na me tro mo video akọ menu miensa omo na be dey be ja na say me kan sam miensa pe they will stop that because now so no mo twetwe nti wona na me hu say asa ye kese na me nipa me na me say me fast na me ko hwe na me miss like I be shame mu say akọ na me yi fa so ti me ko na immigration office ba ka aden o ko na me so omo nya Nigeria fo no mo gina wono me nipa no ka do nya Nigeria me na ase ahani ha ya me hu no so woni ni di nkomo nti na me nkasa ba wi le ekoso aso ne na etwe na me ko ti na ka girl no kra girl so ye kwa di immigration officer na tem na me so me tia na say ade na we na sa we pani jai na me ko na me say aban nti hwana me ko ho na me ka chen say aban me nye nipa bonini so atem komo na say me nye nipa bonini na omo nsusu nye nipa bonfo on say wo hia wo bi a e wo say at least uhu na nim kra like ene yintim fanje je de but uhu na nim kra na utim say we de omo ye mba na sefo and yin like take no ye Ghana for tamale ni na sefo ni na ye be yin na be shemo tamale ni ya fa ka ni ye ba odo su ye ni me ho de nti no nipa bonini nti aban me nipa bonini o me ka omo process cc o me nsentwe ni ye blogger cc no so sa nti wona nanam so me nanam no so de man kase nam so opa achew omo ntwa so ti awuzia sen come Nigeria for a come che omo komo nko nti immigration for ni bi ye adwuma ye kasa bebribe no eduru baby nti abrochi for Ghana for bio supporting movement bi amom yen koso wate mo ma ba ma bu nyina na awuzia mesre obi bia platform osu ginya me media platform osu say obi an support na Nigeria must go no and I say Igbo must go and I say foreigners must go no nyina yen kunkuni ekun ni ndi nkuni ti ni enti yakoba asa no ni betena kenti tena ka ni mu no na lady ba ko ne kase omo kase mu no ba ko de bi so omo kase mu say o man 50 series den na me say how nti lady ba ko de no do ka ne say no be questions na say for na na bu fa na like wan kase hu yina me so on forget me ka me tena ka ni so on forget so atin kuma say nti yo immigration form yi bi ko ba ko no gina bon tin no ka chim say man ko de mo man ko inside na o mo de guess na kwasho no mame nko no asema no ka ne say si Nigeria for ni dunya me kasoro kafo me ka boso no say asema ko say Nigeria for no titiri ndi no mo yes ade no izo mo chi mo kwan no say tamale kwan so de ba Kintampo ko ba techima de mo chi mo sa Nigeria for ewu mu fa chiri ewu mu ye chi mo sa ze Nigeria na o fa tamale o fa hina ba ewu mu a o fa ko ye nyuma o ba waso be she ukwa Ghana card kwa na o me integrate because ye o mo ne kasa ye who say ye titwi ni sa lie no and obi ntitwi a he be expose no you get my point odo say enye enough evidence to you know say enye enough we say the sa na why nti ni say da make what you say obi tima akachi ba na bia no nye Ghana ni but at least ya yɛteke no nyina de wa hwɛ ni mu no kra na otum sɛ wim de omo yɛ ganafo ya yɛtumi na kwa na yɛ basa you get my point yeah nti ni see kwa akwa na mama nsi fom kra nye de see na me see kwa na ye wa me nsi fom teacher ni bi te front wa ma na nsi fom ni Ghana ya yɛteke no nyina I think the baba akopɛ driver ni pen nya Ghana card chwe no lady ba akọ no man ko no kra no so onu nkra Ghana card ba okra ID card no kra no man ko ye nti no you see dressing na asefo ma etwe yakoa no say onko interrogate or man as like onko investigate who said this is what and this is how things are going, you know, and akobasa but then Ghana immigration officers be more able to maintain media kudos to you see immigration, you know, so what in common so ka facha me so what you say entino the high rate say the gina mu put on foreigners, no me the pa yes enti ampa senke Nigeria na say foreigner nkombe crepe no creping kuni convection nya de nkombe ma na yede akan ho me yakọ back ke bia o me de back to mu ni na sefo na e deport na say do me no maye no ebusua enti no yejuma de na yebo no yembo ema me share akwa ne se me nsuntwemi ni pabone ni si no oh that's nice enti ka o mama yiri ni ka ma na but na things network e wo hiri on nshada anyem so time so ko cause na about an be 1 to 2 more na jo ma bre no kasi mi munyi na machinje na yebia tamaleje ni nyeje ni kweto akwan no e bibia nye na sefo speed no dawson from na ball na sefo eusia ti mo fanche me say be 2 days ni ma ya kwadro kakra mi ti mo back to back am fanche me abranti ya human traffic o magele in 10 years no I believe that me family mo huni nyina e ba be kan wasem but oni se mo hu story ndada enti nkofo ne mo boni o muti krom ho mo ye no mpedifo no ehu apolisifo ne hu sojefo ne hu anopa ewie numre ye koso chinkrofo we okrumu anu say and enyade a aban ede ne nsa almost one I say like be chomo we keep on preaching you know the news everywhere and one guy be in Nigeria ni on so we put Mr. Akwala Ketwa akwala no we put na makwala ne wu na sefo security media no so sorry so as I do me play the amount these people you shouldn't entertain these people. I keep on advising you Ghana is no safe as the guy is saying Ghana is no safe udi agro obi di uti enwan udi agro obi di uti ekwo nti make sure you protect yourself, make sure you do things right or else obi edo se kan ebedwa nanka na ohun wa kire wo se onyansa echen. These people play smart and you know other stuff. So you know, what I would say is obi a hwe ne husuye what in common say obi a hwe ne husuye na otweda mpo kwame basi yadom emoye nyina hobo no nkan nyina ho se de be ya bibia betimi eboko e de ama yen so what I say intino esa my bre pa Israel Ahajam Media bomode subscribe and like and ebuso kunungo nya kakraka. Share your thoughts with me on the comment section. If you do be a menu we new so me hu ye security interesting to you know say the posting page has in bomode na fa send me e was studio line so contribution and as a course mo am me say mo course na me ma me papa no me nua me ma me nua mba no ni nyina Israel mo fa nche me. My sister Olive I UK Mountain so sister new landing where UK landing michia na kwame michia me papa oh no way udini leave kaka mfancha me bisa mudoso ba Lydia you know mama ya Germany mama ya de one na for pa na yo tinubu oni tinubu de sese ogani I was my bread Mr. Quincy so come ni nyina na mu nyina ya enti we share video de yasaba e be somo sompa enen so 31st or 1st Saturday month e be simi next month the fire we be on videos ni share bia no you need to light on it mon support ye and mon keep on sharing liking commenting na bibi ntimi yaboko e be somo sompa November December kai ampaye bedwa o ba Ghana bia na wabomode afrem ai na maji me gift hands waba yes ade oba na metochewa no mienu maji and mayere waji okrom intino One first studio line no na mo mfa akwaso de mfa ntum na bi ntunya bokwa wo sia e be say e hia bi makra bye bye.
Look at this face very well. Zoom into the face very well. You see this face right here? This is the face of Victor Obuja, who is also known as the commander-in-chief of all the armed forces of Great Peace, not only in Nigeria, but in the world in general. This young man is responsible for the unaliving of 13-year-old Ochania Elizabeth. He consistently SA'd this young girl for 5 years. She was only 8 years old. And he was essaying this girl. He was raping this girl, both in the front and back. You see this young man, I posting picture because of awareness purposes, because for those of you girls that don't like to do your due diligence, you just date anybody that comes to ask you out. If you see this young man, run, no, because you're not safe. No woman in your family is safe. Even if you have a daughter, she's not going to be safe. Even a son safe. I'm not going to be surprised if your son too is not safe. So please, you better look at his face very well. In fact, they're supposed to erect a statue of this young man because I'm sure he has made all the great peace in Nigeria. They're very proud. In fact, you guys don't understand. A statue is not even enough. They're supposed to just write your name in a stone and just put it there, because you have made a path in history. Like you have just raised the standard for all the great peace everywhere. And justice has not been served yet. Please, if you guys know the whereabouts of this young man, share this photo of this man in every single comment section you can find, and make sure that you raise awareness. Justice for Ochania. Thank you very much.